Hi guys, welcome to week 12 of our 4-bed HMO project. This is going to be for supported living. I think this week it's, I think most of the kitchen's in, or a lot of it. Upstairs, plastering, painting has more or less been done, and then the bathrooms have also been done as well. Again, same again, Ashley's going to walk us around and probably start pointing things out as well. Alright, let me turn it around.
Cheers mate, thank you. So it is super hot, so let's do it. If we step into the first room, so again, this room needs to be plastered because this is where the bulk of the poor walls were. So throughout the property, the walls were in great condition, and if you go back a few videos, you would have known that at first we were planning to just sort of make good the walls, sand down and paint, but this definitely, as you can see, needs...
He's plastered the other walls. And
yeah,
so he hasn't done this one.
It's
weird.
So, into here, you can see for the most part it's been plastered, painted, and you can also now see the kitchen units are in. So, for the most part, we still need to get rid of this because this is where the cooker is going to sit. So, that's rock solid, so it's probably going to be a bit of a messy job doing that. So, kind of doing things a little bit back to front, but all good as long as we come to the finished result is what we want. So yeah, that needs to come out in order for us to get the cooker and the hob in there. This window here, again, mentioned a few weeks ago, waiting to get this changed to a double glazed window. So that means you're going to have plenty of light flooding into this room. So it's going to be a really nice airy room, and there's a good view at the back as well. So let's walk upstairs. So you can see freshly plastered walls.
Oh, the thing's gone.
Yeah. And the stair lift has gone.
Finally?
Yeah.
Oh, we've actually got a staircase. Bloody hell.
So, into room one. Look at it, it's looking nice and bright. We're really happy with it. I think it really looks airy. Looking out to the back as well, it's looking really nice. So obviously we give the windows a good clean before tenants move in.
It's a good sized room, this.
Yeah, it's a good sized room.
It's a really good sized room.
So both of these rooms too are going to be around 9-10 square meters. Yeah. So they are good rooms. And as we do in all our projects, we always look for a secondary exit. So later on down the line, this could potentially be a property that we use for a professional HMO, given its proximity to the university and a few other places of interest. So again, yeah, room's pretty much done, looking good. Just door frames to go in. You can see here, second fix electrics need to be done also. Just be careful of the paint too because it's wet all around. So, this is actually the largest room, isn't it? Bar probably downstairs. But yeah, again, you can see it now, you can really see it's taking shape. It's a light, airy room. We've just gone with a standard whitewash throughout, which is pretty standard. Easy for us to maintain, easy for us to redecorate if needs be. Let's have a quick look in the shower rooms. So, we step into the shower room here. We're still waiting to get an extractor fan sort of installed there, but you can see where the shower unit's going to be. Toilet, pretty straightforward, and the wash basin. And then again here, so we've got, you guys would have originally remembered that this was all one bathroom. So what we've done is, because we've got 4 tenants, you know, it just makes sense that we've split it. So if somebody's having a shower, you know, somebody else can come and use the toilet if need be, because it's going to be a 4-bed.
Sounds nice.
Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. So, you know, we get in there with this one. You can see all the door frames have been painted, all the doors have been painted up here. So for the most part, the upstairs is nearing completion. It's just a few minor bits that need to be done. So yeah, we're looking good with this one. We're hoping for another week and we'll be done and dusted. So that's the plan.
Cool. Alright guys, hope that's been helpful. See you guys next one.